G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today I'm going to be repairing more of my crumple door. Yes, my 40-year-old car needs more attention in the way of broken plastic bits. So what we have here is an air vent bit with a bunch of switches and stuff in them, and I've taken the other blanks out like such. I actually 3D printed them myself. I made them, not only 3D printed them, but designed them and made them. They wanted $35 each for these things, and I printed them up, made them on Onshape, and then printed them up. So, pretty pleased with that, saving a lot of bloody money for that shit. Now, what I've got here is a paddle pop stick, sort of largish one, anyway. I think it's large anyway. I think, there you go, that's a normal sort of size one. And I'm just going to shove him up underneath there, and this is actually cracked in half here, like such. So I'll just jam him up in there like that. And this is not like extremely important on, you know, how tall it is or anything like that, because there's nothing sort of in behind the dash that sort of is going to hit it if I make it slightly too big or something. So pretty much we're just going to get the old heat gun happening, and the resolderer. I'm going to heat this up and start melting some plastic into it. See how we go. Should be fine. Yeah, you gotta love that. Look at that. Yeah, you'll have to excuse all the noise around here. So I've got bloody workmen next door repairing the motel after it went under flood 2 years ago. It's just been sitting there abandoned the whole time. So they're finally deciding to fix it up. Well, I think I got this on too bloody high, too hot. Turn that down a bit. Alright, put him back there. Let's get another paddle pop stick, put a bit of tape on it, so I can use it to crush that down with. Get off. So just going to squish this into place. I'll heat it back up again. Chuck some more goodies in there. I just have to grab the drill, and I'm going to drill a hole in it. I'm just using some PETG here off my 3D printer. And we just melt it and jam it in there. Go. Oh, still hot. Fancy that. Have a look from this end. Seems alright. Just gonna squish some on this side as well. So I want to make sure it's really, really, really combudulated. I'm pretty sure that's a word. Either that or I just made it up. Stick that in there like that. Push him down. Until it cools a little bit. Done. Look at that. Bloody beautiful. Look. Just like I bought one. That is going to be perfect. So that was the cracked one. Here's the non-cracked one. I'll put a couple of more layers on here because I just burnt through one layer. And if it goes onto the wood, it'll actually stick to the wood. We don't want it sticking to the wood. That's what the tape's for. Tape stops it from sticking. Stick this guy in from this side. Probably just need like 4 mil or something.
Well, if they hadn't all fallen with it.
Oh, there's the hole. That'll do. Now, next one. Get some more plastic filament. You can also use your old soft drink bottles and stuff like that too. Milk containers. That's pretty good to use for a lot of things actually. So I'm just going to heat him up. As it melts, just jam it in the hole. And we want to heat up the surrounding plastic. I'm just going to dig it in to it as well, like such. Let's heat it up and push it in, push it in, push it in. Keep pushing. Now it is expanding outwards, but that's fine. There we go. Right, time to pretty much give it a squish. Heat it up a little bit more. Like thus. It's nice and squishy. There we go. I'll just push him down on there like that. And I'll just sit it there for a couple of seconds so it cools. Still a little moist. Moist. Still a little bit soft. My dog barking at the workers next door. Every time they whistle at each other and call each other and shit, the dog goes off its nut. Okay, now let's do this side. Need a little bit of support underneath it, so might need just a couple of paddle pop sticks. I'm on the wrong side, you knucklehead. Alright, set that up like that. What I'm doing is I'm melting the inside of it, the underside, so make sure it's all amalgamated, something like that. Chuck some of this on top. There's nothing that says I can't make this thicker. It'll still work perfectly well, it'll still fit. There we go. Beautiful. Take that off. This is practically all done now. And let's give it a squash. Oh, good. Square him up a little. Go. Nice. It's not absolutely beautiful, but it can't be seen. It's inside the dash. Its whole purpose is to just hang on and stop it from falling out when you hit a big bump. So okay, time to drill the other one. Dead smack in the center. Still a bit soft, but shouldn't hurt it. go. Yep, that's her there. That's as far as it goes in. And that'll do it. Alright, well, that's it for the day. Not really. I gotta go with other shit. But that's it for this video anyway. Yeah, it'll be good. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.
Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you could turn it up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music!
Techno.
Cosmopolitan Railway.